Hey guys, Chris here from MyZone Marketing. Welcome to the very first step on measuring success on your website. Today, I will be showing you how to set up Google Analytics 4 so you can insert it onto your website. Let's do this. All right, first things first is we got to go to Google Analytics. So go ahead and type in Analytics. There she is. Make sure that you're signed into the Gmail that you want to be setting up your GA4 with. Um, Usually your business email or something like that. And this will be your login to Google Analytics. So let's go ahead and start measuring once you are in your Gmail. Account name. There are a couple layers within Google Analytics, and the account name is usually your business name. And if you have multiple storefronts, those are called properties. So go ahead and make your account name whatever you'd like. I'm going to make mine iZone Marketing. But again, this is the master. If you have multiple properties, this will be the one that you are able to access those properties. Account data sharing settings. These are just email settings. So go ahead and take a read through these. If you'd like to receive any emails from Google, I don't want to receive any Google product emails. I don't mind sharing my metrics for benchmarking for the people in the same industry. I would like to receive technical support, and I do like to receive emails about account specialists when they assign me one. So go ahead and read through those if you want. And when you're ready, hit next. All right, property setup. This is what I was talking about with the account. So you already set up the master account. So now you're able to set up multiple properties or just the first property in this account. If you have one business, then you can just make it your business name. But again, if you have multiple locations, then I would either do the address or come up with a way to make them unique to you and your actual location. So I'm just going to make mine the iZone Marketing website. All right, and I am in LA, so I'm just going to leave that. And I do use the US dollar, so I'm going to hit next. All right, here you're able to select your business specifics and what you're trying to get out of analytics. If you don't happen to find your industry category, you can go ahead and leave that blank. You can actually leave the business size blank if you want. This just tells Google how or who you are and how you're going to use Google Analytics. So I'm just going to go leave this blank because they don't have my particular industry. We are a medium-sized business. How do I intend to use Google? I definitely want to measure customer engagement with my sites. I definitely want to optimize my site for the experience. I definitely want to measure data across multiple devices and platforms. Optimize my advertising cost, absolutely. Increase my conversions, absolutely. Definitely want more business. Measure content monetization, yes. Analyze my online sales. I'm not an e-commerce site, but if you are, I would definitely select that. Measure app installs. I do not have an app, but if you do, I would definitely select that. Measure lead generation. Absolutely. When you're all done, hit create. Google Analytics terms of service agreement. Go ahead and go through this uh, and see if anything is not acceptable to you. But usually it's the regular terms and service agreement that people usually get. So I'm going to go ahead and breeze through there. I also accept the data processing terms and accept. Email communications. So this is just more emails that Google wants to send you. If you don't want to receive any emails, go ahead and select save. So we set up an account and a property for your website, but now we actually need to set up a data stream, which is actually a code that will go onto the back end of your website to send metrics to Google Analytics. And for this video, we're going to be doing a website stream. So select website. Insert your URL that you're going to be streaming for. It's not going to like the HTTP, so get rid of that. In the stream name, I usually like to do the business name and websites. and select Create Stream. Okay, to start measuring your metrics, Google needs to have at least one code inserted onto your website. So copy the global site tag and insert it into the header of every page of your website. So whenever somebody goes to the page, the code will fire and send the metrics to Google Analytics. And from there, you can see which source the user came from, be it organically or paid advertising. So this is the only way that the stream can really work, if this is inserted into the header of every page of the website. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to get more tips and tricks on SEO or any marketing tips in general. Please feel free to leave a comment below of any questions you may have, and good luck on your business adventure.